Friends, in this video, we will try to find out what is the value of 2 power 100 minus 2 power 99 minus 2 power 98. At first, I would like to write down 100 as 98 plus 2. And write down 99 as 98 plus 1 and 2 power 98 the same. Now, I can use my index law 98 plus 2, which I can write down as 2 power 98 multiplied by 2 power 2 minus. I can write down 2 power 98 multiplied by 2 power 1 minus 2 power 98. Now this is term number 1, term number 2, and term number 3. In all the terms, I'll try to get something common, and my common thing is 2 power 98. So my common thing is 2 power 98. So in the first term, the leftover part is 2 power 2, which I'll write down here. Minus, in the second term, leftover part is 2 power 1. And in the third term, there is nothing left over, so that will be 1. Which is equal to 2 power 98, and into bracket 2 power 2 is going to be 4 minus 2 power 1, which is 2 minus 1, which is going to be equal to 2 power 98. Now 4 minus 2 is going to be 2, so 2 minus 1, and then I can write down 2 power 98. 2 minus 1 is going to be 1, so my final answer will be 2 power 98. Done, guys. Thank you.